Hi guys, welcome back to another video from BD Performance. My name's Darren Evans and this is the 2,000 subscriber giveaway. Now we achieved 2,000 subs yesterday and we did the subscriber special. You know what, I've cocked that up so many times, I'm just going to leave it in. So we've got to say a massive thank you to Nick at Mirror Image Car Care. He's offered for the 2,000 subs competition a range of cleaning products. Now these are just some of the products that you can get from mirrorimagecarcare.co.uk online, and if you enter at the checkout the code BD15 you can get a whole 15% discount off your car. Now that's amazing. I haven't already mentioned this, Nick has asked me to mention this in a video. The car scents, which is the Phoenix scents, this is actually the Creed version. And in all fairness, I'm not particularly a huge aftershave man myself, but that does actually smell like Creed. So yeah, if you haven't already, check them out all online. We're going to use these products, don't worry, they're not yours. It's a care package that Nick sent out for us specifically to clean some vehicles, and we'll come back to you a bit later on when we're going to announce the actual competition winner. Now the way in which we're going to do that is a random number generator. We've picked out the names of people who've commented, we'll give them all a number, we'll show you how we're going to generate it, screen record it so that you can actually see it done live online. So yeah, we'll come back to you shortly. Thanks for watching guys. So we thought we'd take this opportunity twofold really. One, to introduce you to the Mirror Image Car Care cleaning products. I'm not sure why I'm holding this like a sword, but it just feels good. If it feels right, get on with it. So yeah, we thought we'd take this opportunity twofold really, to introduce you to the MICC cleaning product range and do a little trial with the car care cleaning kit that Nick has provided us free of charge, just to test out the products and just to show you guys. But for now, I'm going to start off with cleaning this vehicle. I'm going to hose it off with some water first, because Lee, who knows a little bit more than me, has told me that's the right thing to do. Right guys, so it's time for some Igloo snow foam. I love this stuff. So apparently the internet tells me that I'm meant to let this stuff dwell. It's snow foam, Igloo version from MICC. I'm sure Nick will correct me in the comments below if I'm wrong. And those of you who know, who actually detail or clean their cars properly, will probably help me out in the comment section down below too. So if I've done something wrong, then please do let me know, because I would actually like to learn and I'm just useless at cleaning cars. Right, take number 744. This is the dirty bucket, which is actually clean with the grit guard in, into the clean bucket with the grit guard in. I'm sure at some point I'm going to get this absolutely f***ed up, but don't worry, it's my Copart purchase, so don't panic anyone. I'm sure I'm going to get in trouble for not squeezing this or something, I don't know. Anyway, so apparently we start in lines like this. So I'm going to get dead bored dead quickly of this. My foot's already wet. I'm already massively pissed off at doing this. I haven't got a second woolly mitt to clean the bottom of the car. So yeah, let's see how we get on. Do you know how to clean cars, mate? No. I'm ruined. Anyway, apparently, dirty bucket. I've got a comment I could make about that, but maybe I shouldn't before watershed. Right, so I'm going to clean the roof next, because apparently Lee said I should start down the side and then go onto the roof. And he's a professional detailer. Right, I'm going to clean this window, because I'm getting really bored now. I've been at this for like 30 seconds. So yeah, I should have just taken this somewhere. Nick, help, where are you when I need you? Nick, come and clean my car for me. I'm bored already. Right. But yeah, some of this stuff suds, some of it doesn't sud, so I'm told. So this is sudding marvellous. Lee, do I have to go one way everywhere?
No, just do it in straight lines.
Do it in straight lines?
You don't get swirls then.
So I can go backwards and forwards? Do I have to, can I do the rest of it with this same one? I'll just flip. That's my breakfast again. Anyway, fat guy shouldn't wash cars. So yeah, we've bucket washed this in like 45 minutes or whatever. I feel like I've done a whole workout. I haven't been to the gym for ages. Passed it a whole lot of times, but I haven't been to the gym. So what I'm going to do now apparently is wash it all off. Now Lee did say that we should have videoed both of us and he could have done a tutorial. I think that would have been better because as soon as the phone rang I could have walked off and just left him to it. I think for next time, if you comment down below if you'd like to see Bennett show you how to wash a car properly with mirror image car care cleaning products, 15% off with BD15 in the checkout on the mirror image car care cleaning website. Wow, I got that all in one, yeah boy! So yeah, I'm going to wash this off. I'm going to clean the wheels. I'm going to iron fallout remover thingy it. I'm going to... Oh, shut up. Whatever. I'm tired, mate. Right, I'm going for it. Let's go. So yeah, it's doing a good job, Rick. I reckon it's doing a good job, that. What it's achieving is the water's washing the soap off, and from what I can establish, that's happening. Look, see? All the soap's gone. This isn't exactly a perfect example, guys. Remember, this thing's come from Copart, so it's got a lot of tar over it and all sorts. Unfortunately, we didn't get any tar and glue remover from Nick. Just one of those things, really. He sent us a care package, so we'll probably get some of the tar off with some of the tar and glue that Nick sent us previously. And we'll get it washed up, get it looking as shiny as we can. Remember, you can't polish a turd. Well, I can't anyway. So we'll go from there. We'll come back to you with a finished clean product. I might just actually ring someone and get them to do it with mirror image car care cleaning products. Someone who knows what they're doing. Hey mate, do you know how to clean cars? No. Do you want a job? No. Even he doesn't want a job. Right, so yeah, now I'm gonna have to do this. Basically, it all falls on me. I'll see you in a minute. Right, so I've dried this now, so to say, as Lee would have you know, and I'm going to spray this stuff liberally all over the car, right, and see whether we've got any have I been tarmacking right by this or what? No. Anyway, I cheated on this one. I couldn't find a bottle of Nick, so I've used a bit of Santa Claus's. Oh look, it's got a spray like a thing to like. I think this is what. Ah, it's all right. I've worked it out now. It says spray there, and I just had it on. Yeah, well I know I had it on, but it was just. Yeah, I've got it on spray. Yeah. Anyway, so basically Santa's lent me some stuff just so that we can do this justice. He said, give it a gentle rub. Now, for any of you that know Santa, I'm not sure whether he was talking about the car or something else, but I'm giving it a gentle rub, and yeah, it's sort of working. I think we should have had Nick's own stuff. Probably would have been better. Do you know what the best bit about this cap is, Lee? It hides my bald patch from the camera. So yeah, I'm probably just going to do this side of the car I'm going to take this for someone else to do. I'm going to be honest, I'm not going to lie to you, I'm really not enjoying this part of the video. Please don't take that this is anything to do with the products. I'm just not the man for cleaning cars. Not anymore, I'm too old and fat for this stuff. But yeah, the soap and suds and the snow foam, brilliant. I'm happy with that. The fact that this thing's sat for ages in Copart and is covered in tar, man, I couldn't take any cinematics of this car after washing it with Nick stuff and do it any justice. Remember, this is a 13 plate, 2013, so 8-year-old car with 76,000 miles on the clock, I think it is, or 75,000 miles. It's been around the block, a bit like Lee really, and yeah, so don't expect a shiny pin. It's not exactly any show queen, it's been someone's daily kind of driver for probably some old lady or something like that. We'll go through what we've had to change on this car a bit later on, just to make this video a bit more interesting for some of you, and we'll announce the winner of the competition. So if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, share this content, hit that bell icon and the all to stay notified of all the content that we produce, and make sure that you check out Mirror Image Car Care online for their online store. Quote BD15 at the checkout and you get 15% off. Have a look at their socials, give them a like, give them a share around, because without them we wouldn't have this kit to give to you. So I'll join you shortly when we'll give you a little bit more, hopefully not a lot more, I'm tired. Right guys, so I'm back in the office with a list of the comments in the comment section on the video for the competition. Now what we've done is we've written everyone's name down and given you a number from 1 right the way through to 53. So number 1's Craig Wilson and number 53 is William Berry. Now some of the names on here are just random names, i.e. for instance Free Jack or FR33 Jack. So there's no way we can correlate that between any comments anywhere else or any likes anywhere else. So this is the way that we're going to have to do it for now. And what we've got is a Google number generator up on the screen. Now we've put the number 1 and 53 in. So that's 1 starting at 1 right the way through to 53. Now this isn't the real one, but we're just going to click the generate button to show you that it chooses a random number. So 27 that time, 30 the next time, and the next time 39. So, right, best of luck, and this is going to be the real one for that Mirror Image Car Care cleaning kit. Best of luck to all 53 people. Thank you for subscribing, thanks for commenting, and let's click the button and see who wins. So we've got 43. Now off that list of 43, that is Ben Clayson. Ben Clayson, you are the winner. Sorry to everyone else, but you know, you've got to be in it to win it. So Ben, if you'd like to get in touch on this even ring the office on 01978 758 598 and just give us some details and we'll get that Mirror Image Car Care cleaning kit sent out to you as soon as possible. Thanks once again to Nick and Aggie from MICC. If you haven't already, then check them out on Facebook. Check their store out for all your car cleaning needs. Use that discount code BD15 for an extra 15% off at the checkout. And we'll see you again shortly.